I'm just repotting my seedlings because it's relaxing and because they're getting huge. Like, I've never done spaghetti squash before, but now I know that there's just no need to do that in a pot. So, learning curve. But yes, repotting day. Or I guess more transplanting. Okay, so because these are getting nice and big, and there's at least, I think, scooch. Yeah, 2 of them in there with true leaves and 1 that just popped up the other day. I'm gonna separate them into these 2-inch plastic pots. So I'm going to separate them and give them this Fox Farm fertilizer for lush vegetative growth. Simply because I went to the nursery and asked them what to give them, and they gave me this. So. Okay, so I 100% underestimated how much soil I needed to finish this, because I have 8 finished and a whole pack, and I guess the Tiny Tims and the borage. Oh yeah, and I have to do the spaghetti squash. So you live and you learn. Now I have to make more soil. I kid you not, I just ran out of soil for the 3rd time. So now I'm going to mix some more again. So my problem right now is that I had no idea that the spaghetti squash would grow so quickly, and they're all like rooted together. So I'm trying to separate them gently, but also the one that I loved the best kind of broke. Like, it's not completely broken through, but it's definitely a little bendy, and I don't know if it's gonna come back from that. I don't know how spaghetti squash works, but I'm kind of sad. Alright, let's see if we can just shake you off here. Mm-hmm. let me know. Oh, maybe. Maybe we can. Shake it off. There we go. Ah, ha, ha, ha. 1. Oh, yes. 2. Come on, you two. Separate. Zhuzhing the roots around a little super gently. Haha, yes! Success! I decided to try to start some peas. I've got some peas from gurneys here, some sugar snap peas, some Swiss chard nuts there, and cucumbers. I decided to try to start those right now as well. I'm still debating on the zucchini and this because I think that they just grow fast enough. 48 days. I just don't need to. What's this one? 55. Like I just feel like I don't know. I'm like a little nervous about it. I feel like it's gonna get really big really quickly. And the same with, well, this is 63 days, so maybe not. But I'm also so curious about beets because somebody else was starting their beets inside, and I thought that you weren't supposed to start root vegetables, like because they don't like to be transplanted. But now I'm so curious. This is just going to be a trial and error. I think my biggest pride and joy here would be this tomato right here. Oh, so proud. And this Roma looks pretty cute too. And then the tiny Tims back there. Like the tomatoes are doing very well. I thought about transplanting the peppers, but then I realized those leaves are so small. Like, I don't think they're ready. And the same with the eggplant. It just has one little baby leaf in the middle there. It's just not ready in my opinion. I have no idea what happened here. It's like a little mutant, but I'm leaving it because who knows. I planted a couple of other things, just some seeds that I wanted to try early just to see what happens, like the beets back there. I said I had heard that you shouldn't do root vegetables to be transplanted because they don't like that, but I'm gonna try the beets and see what happens. The Swiss chard, because every time I do it, it never actually gets big, so I figured if I started inside, maybe it has a better chance. The parsley, because the other parsley is just sad to look at. Actually, it's over here somewhere. Here. This is the other parsley, and it's just now getting these 2 little pop-ups. So it's actually kind of sad. And the chives, because I planted the chives before and absolutely nothing happened. So I'm gonna try it again. And then I planted some sugar snap peas that will get to go outside actually pretty soon here, in about 3 weeks, I think. And yeah, I tried the beets here too as well. Some spinach, yeah. And I did try the cucumbers to see what would happen. So now I just need to get these under the lights and it'll be good. And this is the moment Daniel came out a winner. I just want to say thank you for my seeds and for me in this year's crop. You the bomb, Dan.
Yep.
Okay, today's the day. I am hardening off seeds in my greenhouse. Yay. I'm really excited. First I have to see what the temperature is in there, so let's see. Yeah. I think it's basically crying out for these seedlings here. It's basically asking me to get these seedlings in here. Okay, so I think I want to put them over here. So I have to clean this little space out. Okay. I'm so excited. Let's get a better look here. Thing that I
could have put outside around this time, but started inside, is out in the greenhouse now, hardening off. It needs to get a little bit of water, so I'm gonna do that. But I've got my onions, my broccoli, my beets, my kale, lettuce, peas, things like that. And that is really fun for me. Also, side note, I found these. I was digging in the yard and I accidentally chopped these. Are these tulips? I have no idea what they are. They were so deep in the ground. I didn't plant them. I'm curious if you know. Let me know.